Hello viewers, today the topic is what is the procedure of shuttering and steel fixing pouring of a stair. As you see that what is the procedure for stair, shuttering, steel fixing and pouring. Today I shall tell you that first of all for stair pouring we require the items. First of all shuttering, then steel fixing, and I shall tell you. As you see that here, first of all we provide shuttering. Here shuttering soffit of slab is there. Okay, then we make steel fixing, binding, everything is okay. We also provide here spacers. Here spacers are provided here. And the third one is conduiting, electric conduiting for light points available for. And after completion this, the survey team provide riser and treads point. According to the points riser and tread, we just provide here shuttering of riser. Here as you see that this is a public place. Here we provide 5-inch riser for concrete pouring, and the tread is 11-inch. Here tread is 11-inch provided. After pouring, here the plaster and marble margin is available here, 1 inch extra for final finishing. So when we provide here shuttering for riser, we just make sure that hand level, that the riser level is okay. Then we also check vertical level, horizontal level, and then vertical level. After that we complete the shuttering, and then steps shuttering is okay. Here bracings are provided must, which is necessary during pouring. We provide, because for stair pouring we required a well compacted concrete. For well compacted concrete we required vibrator for compaction of the concrete. This vibrator is used internal. This is internal vibrator which is used for the compacted concrete. To use vibrator, internal vibrator, to avoid any kind of honeycombing or air voids which is not good for the concrete. Okay, and during stair pouring or costing we just use this bracing which is necessary for the steps, because when we use vibrator then internal pressure of concrete is high, and it should be bend up. So always try to make sure that your steps are horizontally or vertically in alignment. This is the necessary part of the stair pouring. And I shall share you the next pouring procedure with you. Thank you.